Now, the next strategy we're going to learn this week is having to do with subtraction. Now, I know you're probably like, well, my child can use their fingers, or they can look at this and figure it out pretty quickly. And that's great. You're right. They probably can because we're just working with some ones. But it's a good skill to practice these strategies using these representations because as the numbers get bigger, it's going to be more complex. They're going to run out of fingers. They're not going to be able to see it right away visually and mentally. So we're practicing now to help build those bigger numbers. When they have numbers like 80 take away 12, they're probably going to have to draw it out. So using these smaller ones places is going to help us prepare for those times when it gets bigger. And eventually we're going to be working with 2 3-digit numbers and adding and subtracting all the way up to 1,000. So baby steps, we're doing baby steps. Okay, this is pretty similar to what we just learned with addition, but now we're doing subtraction. We have the number 30. We're going to represent the number 30 with a model form. A little bit different this time. I'm going to start with my 10, 20, but instead of making a rod, I'm going to make 10 ones because I see that I'm taking away 9 ones. And if I do a rod there, I don't have any ones to take away. Let's see, I have 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. This number here still represents 30 because we have 10, 20, and then another 10, and that makes 30. So now that I have done that, I am going to take away those 9 ones by simply counting out 9 ones and crossing them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to take those away. And I see now that I have 2 rods, 2 10s, and 1 1. So there's my answer, 21. Really simple for that one. Now we're going to move on to the next one if I can figure this out. All right, I did, but now I have to erase all of this. Okay, there we go. So now we're going to take out a 10 with using a number bond. So this time I'm going to make a number bond. Here is my hole. I'm going to make it into 2 parts. I'm going to break that apart into, well, real simply, I can have 10 and 2. 10 and 2 together make 12. So I just broke it apart. I decomposed it. So now I'm going to take my number 10 and I'm going to subtract 9 because it's real simple to solve this. 10 take away 9 is 1. And if I were to draw this out, which I might have to do, I'm not going to draw a rod. I'm just going to draw 12 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones, 1, 2 twos, 12. Now I can take away those 9, 10, and see that I have 1 left here. Now I'm going to take this answer of 1 and I'm going to add this back to it because if we see here, we have that 1 and we have 2 and we're going to do addition now. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And I can see here that I do indeed have 3 ones left. So this answer is correct. This is how to use the strategy of a number bond with taking out a 10.